guys, what's up? And welcome back to another episode. So this one here is actually about the LZ World Tour in New Zealand. Now, believe it or not, we weren't going to go to this. So as you can probably see in the background, I did end up going to it. Got lots of merch, it was pretty sick. So this is going to be a real quick edit on it and what happened. This is actually my Motorsports lounge I'm building up. A lot of my car stuff in here. Got me engines. Got an RB20 there and also M50 B25 God's motor. Spare engine for my drift car just in case I need it, which hopefully I won't need, but we'll see. So yeah, this is going to be a pretty quick video. I'm literally just going to throw it together and edit it, chuck some music over it. So there won't be a hell of a lot of talking in it, but you'll get a rough idea what went on at the LZ World Tour over here in New Zealand.
Hey guys, just here at Taupo Airport waiting to be picked up from our Uber so we can go to Taupo International Speedway.
Our last minute booking.
That was nuts.
Decided to come to the LZ World Tour literally, what, the night before?
Like probably less than 12 hours ago?
Yeah, less than 12 hours ago, and here we are in the Taupo Airport. It's going to be picked up by the Uber, so...
What time we booked it? Like 9 o'clock last night?
Yeah, like 9.